It's good.
Is it something you recommend I bring to like a party?
No, this is the house.
It's healthy. Okay, let's try this sweet potato brownie. It's definitely still very gooey, but I kind of like my brownies a little undercooked anyway, so. Damn, that's good.
All right, let's try these brownies out. This sweet potato brownie.
You get more excited than that.
Let's try these brownies, oh my God! These brownies finna be fire, I already know it. Even though the shit is sweet potato.
And sugar-free.
And sugar-free.
And gluten-free.
And gluten-free. So is it really a brownie? We're about to find out. Bon appetit. It's good.
Is it something you recommend I bring to like a party?
No, this is the house. I'd say it's fine. I mean, yeah, you can take this to a party. You can take anything to a party.